Setting up Visual Studio Code, VS Code, for development and integrating Jupyter Notebook within it involves a few steps. Here's a guide to help you set up both environments. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. Setting up Visual Studio Code for development. 1. Install Visual Studio Code. Download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, https://code.visualstudio.com. 2. Install Python extension. In VS Code, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window. Search for Python and install the official Python extension by Microsoft. 3. Create or open a Python project. Open a new or existing Python project folder in VS Code. 4. Create a virtual environment, optional but recommended. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code by selecting Terminal from the top menu. Use the following commands to create and activate a virtual environment. Python env_name. Source /bin/activate hashtag on Windows, /name \scripts \activate. 5. Install required libraries. Install the necessary Python libraries using pip within the activated virtual environment. 6. Write and debug code. Create Python files in your project folder. Use VS Code's built-in debugging tools to write, execute, and debug your code. Integrating Jupyter Notebook in Visual Studio Code. 1. Install Jupyter extension. In VS Code, go to the Extensions view and search for Jupyter. Install the Jupyter extension by Microsoft. 2. Open a Jupyter Notebook. Create or open an existing Jupyter Notebook .ipint file in VS Code. You can also create a new notebook by clicking the New Jupyter Notebook icon in the top right corner. 3. Cell execution. Use the Run Cell button, Shift+Enter, or the Run All Cells option to execute code cells in the notebook. Results and outputs will be displayed within the notebook. 4. Kernel selection. If you have multiple Python environments, select the desired kernel, virtual environment, for the notebook execution. The kernel defines the environment in which your notebook code runs. 5. Exporting notebooks. Export the notebook to various formats, including .ipint, HTML, PDF, and more. This is helpful for sharing and archiving your work. Note: VS Code's integrated Jupyter extension provides a Jupyter-like experience within the VS Code environment. While Jupyter Notebook integration is convenient, you can also launch a standalone Jupyter Notebook server using the Jupyter Notebook command and access it through a web browser. Remember to explore the documentation and resources for both VS Code and Jupyter Notebook to become more familiar with their features and capabilities. Additionally, VS Code and its extensions are continuously evolving, so checking for updates and new features is recommended. Thank you.